My name's Dr. Donna Smith, and I'm a senior lecturer in politics in the Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences, School of Social Sciences and Global Studies, and I'm the principal investigator for the Changemakers project. The Changemakers project explores improving young adults' understanding of making political and social change using Wales as a case study. The project aims to develop educational resources to improve understanding, engendering active citizenship. Changemakers will generate robust educational resources that enable young people aged 16 to 24 to become active citizens by improving their understanding of how to make political and social change in the UK. Now, active citizenship is the idea that someone can be an active political citizen, so they can actively try and make change or indeed prevent it. Basically, they can be a change maker, which is the name of our Open Societal Challenges project. This will be achieved through the development of educational resources, post-secondary education, building on an OpenLearn course called An Introduction to Making Political and Social Change that we've already created. And the project will initially focus on Wales, working with young Welsh citizens and OU Wales, but we hope be applied across the whole of the UK. The OpenLearn course we designed previously gives essential background information to get started, examples of inspiring change makers, advice on how to have an impact both within and outside of traditional UK parliamentary politics, and the qualities needed to succeed. And this course was contributed to and endorsed by the UK Parliament, Welsh Parliament, Scottish Parliament, and the Northern Ireland Assembly. When it comes to the future educational resources we hope to develop as part of Open Societal Challenges, we don't yet know what the young people we work with will suggest, which is actually quite exciting. It could be a website, an online course, something hard copy, a video, who knows. But we really look forward to getting the input of the young people. And research findings will also be used to provide a package of good practice recommendations for policymakers around the state of active citizenship provision for young adults and the next steps needed for building a future of commitment to democracy and involvement in politics.